Okay. Yeah. So for this session, we have to identify the different filter effects. We're going to use the sum of the filter effects, and then you can use the other effects as practice. And then for number 2, we have to use the filter effects in creating a comic books. Okay, the same with the manga. Okay, so we're going to use that. And of course, yes. So let us define first the filters, because we're going to use the filters or the filter effects in order to come up with the comic books. So we have here the filters are Photoshop's built-in effects that you can apply to your image for an artistic outcome. So you can access all the filters by going to the menu bar and selecting the filter command. And you can see that as we go on, and as I demonstrate step by step, after my demonstration, you're going to execute the command. Okay? After my demonstration, we have, if you already downloaded and if you already accessed the folder, okay, that I shared on our chat box, I'll send you the step-by-step procedure on how to work on with this activity. Okay? And you can select from the filter options such as artistic. We're going to use that, the blur, okay, the brush strokes, the distort, noise, pixelate, render, sharpen, sketch, stylize, texture, and a lot more that we can use in order to modify our pictures. Okay, so let's see. Okay, just look at this picture. We're going to use this picture. Okay, we're going to use this picture as we go on to our activity. Okay, can you see this picture on your folder? Can you see this picture? What I mean on the folder that I shared to you, or on the link that I shared to you. Can you see this picture? Can you see this picture?
Teacher?
Can you see this? Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Can you see? Yes. Can you see a girl picture there? Can you see? Did you already access the folder? Or did you already access the link that I shared?
Teacher? Because everybody here except Judah came after you sent the thing, you need to resend it so we can access it.
Okay. Okay, so just access it first. For our activity, for our last activity, we have the picture there. I also add the pictures that we're going to use for our activity. Okay, and this is some of the output for our comic effects, and then we're going to work on in order to come up with this picture. Anyway, when it comes to your activity, when it